In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property, like amenities, room categories, location, landmark facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the property location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. To see more than 100 of reviews of this property, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 8.4, which is the excellent. Category 1 is like group size, bedtime, highlight, amenities, and next we discuss the amenities of this property. As you can see on the screen, in this property, the type of amenities available on the.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the property is attractive and cares to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this property is 2 p.m. Check-out time of this hotel is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this property, along with different meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to visit, please contact provided in the description. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, please drop a comment and we will help you. For booking or the more details about this property, please check the description. If you have visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the entire video.